Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to properly clean your input devices, also known as your keyboard and mouse. I'm an AT specialist for Access Technologies, and as Oregon's statewide assistive technology program, we maintain a library of devices and equipment that are demonstrated across the state. After every demonstration, we take the cleanliness and sterility of each item seriously. We also receive donated equipment and devices that require sterilization before rehoming. As such, we pride ourselves on maintaining strict cleanliness procedures. Your keyboard might require the most meticulous cleaning, depending on the style of keys that you use and the places where dirt, crumbs, and dust may settle. Begin by turning off your computer. If your keyboard is wired, unplug it. If your keyboard is wireless, turn it off or remove the batteries. Sometimes there's even an on-off switch. You can just turn it off. You can leave the dongle in the computer, as most people don't touch it and it won't hurt anything to just leave it alone. Next, if your keyboard is not attached to a laptop, turn it upside down and give it a vigorous shake, both up and down and side to side, in order to clear out the bigger debris that has fallen under the keys. If you are using a laptop, be gentle with it so you don't jostle the hard drive or strain any hinges. From there, you can brush it out with a small paintbrush, or you can blow it out with compressed air. You can buy a can of compressed air at most stores fairly cheaply, and your IT department might have an electric air compressor. Alternatively, some people might make a cleaning goo using 1.5 cups of warm water, 1/4 cup of borax, and 5 ounces of white school glue. I've tried it myself, and I didn't really enjoy the result. Once all the visible dirt is cleared out, wipe down with your sanitizer or disinfectant. This, again, could be Lysol wipes, it could be Clorox wipes, it could be a 50-50 solution of rubbing alcohol and water spritzed onto a microfiber cloth before you wipe down the keyboard. Do not spray anything directly onto the keyboard. Also, while you're wiping down, remember the sides and the back of the keyboard, as a lot of people touch these areas and are completely unaware of it. Once it's dry, plug it in and or put the batteries back in, and it should go back to normal. Moving on to the mouse, turn or leave off your computer and power off the mouse either by unplugging it or flipping the power switch under the mouse or pulling the battery. From there, brush or blow any debris off of the scroll wheel in the undercarriage. Then, wipe with a disinfectant, and don't forget the scroll wheel and the sides of your mouse. Let it dry before plugging it in again. If you use a trackpad, a disinfectant wipe is all you really need, but be sure to wait for it to dry before using it again. Roller bar mice can also get by with a disinfectant wipe, but be sure to get the whole roller bar itself, its rail, the scroll wheel, and around the crevices where the buttons are. There's a sensor that's hidden under the roller bar, and cleaning the grime out of it will require an expert's help. Before going back to work, take the time to wipe down work surfaces around your devices. Don't forget to disinfect your stapler, your telephone, your tape dispenser, the keyboard tray, or any writing utensils that you might use or share. You can do this once a week, unless you're in a heavy rotational use, and then do a quick wipe down between users. If you do share a workspace, please be considerate of allergies and sensitivities of your colleagues. If you have any equipment that needs cleaning and you're unsure how to go about it, send us an email at info@accesstechnologiesinc.org or give us a call at 503-361-1201.